Hi friend, in this video I will describe how to use Nifty Trading Pro Excel sheet and to find Nifty Trading without any analysis using this Excel based system. Even if you are remain busy, you can do it because it takes just 2 minutes of your time at 9:46 a.m. daily. So you have to check the Nifty movement first 30 minutes of the day, and you have to enter the data over here, open high low and high low of 9:15 to 9:30 candlestick data and 9:30 to 9:45 data. Then you will get the trade over here. I will show you exactly what was the trade today and what was the trade result today. But before that, I want to dedicate today's video to one of my friends, Sujoy. You did exceptionally well today, followed the trading strategy exactly ditto, and you earned very good amount. But you trade based on the options. You mentioned that very good trade today using Nifty Trading Pro, 220 points in options. Yes, in options, you have earned 220 points. That's great, but it is actually slightly better than that if you trade in future. But I must say you did exceptional job today. Follow the trading strategy, all the trading strategy despite loss and profit. Your job is to continue the trading strategy, and you should have a portfolio of strategy, different strategy, so that one balance each other, and that is the goal of the trading. So now I will describe what to do. See, in this data point here, you have to enter the data from 15-minute candlestick chart, or whatever the time, whatever the bar chart, candlestick chart, that actually doesn't matter. See, this is the 15-minute candlestick chart of Nifty May future, and what I have to do is that I have to take the first candle high low, open high low. So I will enter here the first candle open high low. See, 9078.95 was the open. High of the first candle was 9078.95, 78.95, okay. And the low was 9017. The high of the next candle was 9032, sorry, 9032 it was, and the low was 8988. That's it. At when these two candle will end, you have to enter this data over here, and once you will click over here, you will come to this page, and in this page you will find the trade. So what was the trade today? It was the trade of long, and entry was 9033.90. Initial stop loss was 8986, and your trailing trigger level was 9079. And what is trailing trigger level? If market move above that, then I will recommend you to bring the stop loss at the cost. Otherwise, exit the trade at 3. Once the entry will trigger, you have to hold the trade and you have to exit the trade at 3 p.m. That was the strategy. So what was the trade today? So probably we will enter at 903390. So 1 or 2 point buffer you can take, and probably you will enter at 9035 or some, let's say 9034 level. This is, so our trade has executed here in this candle. So trailing trigger level was 9079. Now I also put a level 9079. So let's say this is the level. This is not exact, 907855. Okay, a couple of points is okay, and your stop loss was 8986. So your stop loss was 8986. So this was your stop loss. Now try to understand one very crucial point here. That is, when what is trailing trigger level? So once market close above this level, above this trailing trigger level, what you have to do is that you have to bring your stop loss at the cost and hold the trade till 3 am. That's the strategy. So our 3 p.m. price was this level. So let me draw a line here. So 3 p.m. price was 9311. So if you enter at 9037 and if you exit at 9311, that is almost 200 odd point, and that is a great trade today. You should understand the proper strategy and you should trade it continuously every day, irrespective of the profit and loss, and that's the only way we can make good money over time in the trading business. So thank you so much for your time. I will update time to time, and very soon I will also update the review of other strategy like bank nifty jackpot strategy and nifty jackpot strategy. I will come out with the review for this month, all the trading strategies performance. Thank you so much for your time, and I wish all the best for next coming trading session. Thank you so much.